Uh, yo, yo, yo. Um, I don't, you know, welcome back to the channel. Um, uh, if you watched the video yesterday, we spent a lot of time talking about. Oh, my camera is mess. Okay, we spent a lot of time talking about the 707s and things of that nature, and how it was possible that we could see a rally today, and uh we had a rally today. Yeah. So I was targeting like anyway. Like I'll stop with the thing. Guys, man, holy shit, dude. Like I'm actually shocked about this in a lot of ways, and we're still dialing in this really strange, very particularly good thing strategy. So I'm not playing this perfectly by any means or anything up until this point. I mean, we've done well, but uh, I just it's kind of hard to like process when something so odd uh, is working so well. And I understand technicals and I understand like why they work and everything like that. But it's just this one specific thing, you know. It if you so in yesterday's video, we were looking for where this potential bottom could be happening, right? And we were drawing a bunch of different 707 scenarios. Simba's messing up my camera, dude. Okay, I think we're good. And I never drew all the way back down here, which was like the macro one. But I'm gonna tell you guys from now on, for the purpose of the channel, I'm only gonna do the larger 707s. Like I'm gonna actually make a focus on that. The reason I did that is because the way that I had this trend line drawn yesterday, and I've adjusted it since. I had it like this kind of, and I just was like, or was it here or something like that? I don't know. Anyway, um, I just was like, man, we're so deep in those woods. If we were to go down to this 707, I'm not sure that we could still be bullish, but this is past. This is another thing, okay? This isn't like this takes priority over what you believe about trends or what you believe about support and resistance, everything like that. This is ahead of that, okay? I've been doing this for a good little while, and I've never seen something that is this effective, okay? Ever. This effective at being able to predict huge swings in price on a regular basis. It is downright freaky, okay? Look, if you've seen something better than what we've done over the course of the past week or so, week or two on this channel since we've really been doubling down on this, let me know. I mean, just throw it at me. I want to know. I want to know about it, okay? So let's get into the fucking. Oh my god, what happens? I mean, okay, so you just broke this what looks like a bull flag, and we have been saying that the structure looks accumulative, and look, man, you had an LPS. This is accumulation. It is. And it can press back down and regain some more strength like we've been talking about, but I do not think I would be very surprised if you made lower lows on this before you broke above the midline. Simba, leave the camera wires alone. Okay. Um, you are running directly into the midline right now as we speak on futures. Price is rallying like I mean this is an unbelievable rally. I mean sentiment was so bearish, so bearish yesterday. I literally felt crazy calling for a rally today. I I did not. I was like, I mean, dude, what we were calling it based off of is this. I mean, I'm gonna make this video brief because I want to go to the gym. I don't really want to make Friday videos and stuff like that. But, we were saying like, okay, you could have this correlated move here, And I was like, man, wouldn't it be crazy if I literally said this, right? Like, and I mean, we didn't go this low, like I said, but this was the general idea. I think the target that I had was like, wait, hold on, was like up here or something like that, right? But it was still the same general precedent. I was like, man, wouldn't it be crazy if like after a day like today, you just had this like a crazy, and I think that the number that I gave was like 1.6% at the time. Well, you know, that move now has turned into 3.5% from this 707 test. And when I say that this is the most powerful fib level and within these market, like within a certain market condition, because this is like the personality of this chart at this point. Okay, there is no other like really big correlation to make here, guys. Like this move is 100%. This absolute rocket is 100% based on this 707. And just to illustrate just how much it is, this is a 10-second chart that you have here. Okay. You spent, and I'll be favorable here, you spent a total amount. Oh, wait, hold on. No, I need to do it. As it's drawn that you see here, you risked 0.05% here, and it was under for a total of 8 minutes and 40 seconds, and not even really that long. If you look at that, you popped back above it. And then here, and this was all pre-market, so like you weren't trading this anyway. And then here, 0.07%. And I mean, from that point, I mean, you just literally, I mean, this is a 10-second chart, so it looks way more choppy than it actually is. You literally just went on a fucking 3.5% run on the S&P 500. I don't know. I don't know what you guys want me to tell you. All right. What I will tell you is, look, you're going to the midline here. You're testing it, looking. You're testing obviously the local highs here, right? You're testing this range essentially, right? Let's make this red and a little bit thicker. This 37.77 high. You're right there. You're in this range. But I'm going to tell you guys, like, now, based on the rules here, if you break to new highs and you get above this midline, you move the needle now to the next 707 based on the way that we've been viewing this. So you're through this one already. And you're scooting back here now. Like you're here, guys. Like you're in a golden pocket here. If you break here, 3,800 next week, 3,800 is that upside target. If you break through this 37.77, if you can retest this as support here, like you're, yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just a little dumbfounded. I just never really like experienced anything quite like this before. You guys know, if you've been following the channel for a while, that we do a good job of being very accurate and having all of the different scenarios. But it's just weird. Just weird, dude. How accurate and creepy this has been. So anyway, like it's been so accurate that like I've been doubting it, type of thing. Like yesterday, literally in the video, I was doubting it essentially, and it is just like no. It's this. It's the aggressive. No. You're being conservative, bro. No, it's the aggressive target. Don't worry, we're gonna get there. On the other hand, if you break down below 37.39 or so, I would say that now that would mean that you're gonna distribute, and we're gonna be looking for market structure details during next week, but you would distribute back down into 36.78, which would be pretty bearish. So it would be like this sort of move probably over the course of the next week. And then from there, we would have to kind of adjust expectations. But yeah, I mean, just be watching this midline. Watch for that confirmed rejection down below. I mean, this is kind of, in a way, this is the bearish scenario that we talked about yesterday, which is if it does continue, like if it comes up here and it just wants to like lollygag around here, that's pretty bearish. Okay, that is a pretty bearish scenario. If it's gonna, you want to see it. What we have been talking about and been wanting to see is that you continue to create this rounding. See this accumulative sort of structure here, right? That where you're hanging lower within the local range. It's not going to be able to continue looking like that if you keep on having presses like that. You would want it to look something like this. Somebody just bit me on the leg. But yeah, so that's the video. I'm going to go to the gym. You guys have a good weekend. Go play with some charts. My DMs are open on Twitter now. I've been really enjoying having you guys DM me, so don't be shy. DM me. I answer them all. And if you are like, go play with this over the weekend. Like literally, go like historically do the ES1 futures. Go do SPX, SPY, and test 707 against trend lines and things like that. See if you can find more details for me. Other than that, have a good weekend, and until next time, peace. Shoulder day, baby. I'm so excited. Oh my God.